catch me, I want you now. I know you can save me, come and save me. I need you now. I am yours forever, yes forever. I will follow. And never gonna let go. I'll take you to a place. This fantasy of you and me,
Thank you very much, Shivaker!
Okay, meron pang susunod, kaya pwede. Tatabi muna. Okay, mamaya malalaman natin kung sino mas magaling, ha? Kailangan namin ang reaksyon ng mga tao dito sa audience. Eto na.
Maliksing-maliksi yun. Nakita mo ba, amigo?
Banda dito naman, ready na rin ang maestro ng pag-ibig na si Mr. Cariñoso.
At magdahan-dahan lang po kayo sa pagpasok dahil ang mga rayuma natin ay baka umatake.
Huwag kayo mag-alala dahil nandito yung Aeromed. Aeromed, nandyan.
Aba, mahusay.
Okay, eto na.
Ambulansya naghihintay, ang blood pressure, sigurado? Okay.
Eto na, Mr. Cariñoso with the EB Babes!
Yay! Yes, sir! Yes! Yes!
Never thought that I'd fall in love, 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 love. But it grew from a simple crush, 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 crush. Being without you, girl, never so messed up, 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 up. When you walked out, said that you had enough, enough, nothing to fool. But I know, didn't expect this is how things would go. Maybe in time, you'll change your mind. Now that I'm back, I wish I could be right.
Okay, thank you. Yan po, si Mr. Cariñoso at ang EB Babes. Ibig sabihin ng EB, hindi po Eat Bulaga, ha? Endangered pa. Dancers.
Nakakatawa. Maayos lang ang mga suot, pero parang taga-pavilion 3 yung mga...
Sino, yung mga tao dito sa audience, sino mas nagustuhan nyo? Yung grupo ni Shivaker? O yung grupo ni Mr. Cariñoso?
Wow! Iba talaga ang antik.
Malakas ang signal nyo. Napakaraming exciting na kaganapan sa Cool Center tonight. At ito ang mga dapat